United States President Joe Biden made his first political rally since launching his campaign in April. He made his 2024 re-election pitch to union members in Philadelphia. His campaign reportedly aimed to shore up a key part of his political coalition and bolster support among white working-class voters. The event on Saturday was hosted by the American Federation of Labor and Congress of Industrial Organizations, abbreviated as AFL-CIO, which includes 60 unions representing more than 12.5 million workers. It endorsed Biden and his running mate, Vice President Kamala Harris, this week, which is the earliest it has ever made an endorsement in a US presidential election. Addressing approximately 2,000 union members in attendance, Biden said, and I quote, "I told you when I ran for president I'd have your back, and I have. But you've had my back as well," he said. Biden further said that the early endorsement would make a gigantic difference in the election. Hundreds of union workers inside the convention hall began chanting, "Let's go Joe," and blowing whistles and hoisting campaign signs hours before Joe Biden arrived. Members of unions representing professions from carpenters to airport service workers to entertainers to heavy service equipment engineers praised Biden from the stage, some even speaking in Spanish with translators. Hailed by labor leaders as the most pro-union president in history, Biden has supported collective bargaining at companies, reversed rules implemented by his Republican predecessor Donald Trump that weakened worker protections, pushed to reverse a decades-long decline in union membership, and made it easier for union labor to build bridges and ports around the country. In his remarks, Biden talked up his $1.2 trillion infrastructure package, which passed with bipartisan support in Congress. The Philadelphia event also comes as reports emerged of inflation cooling last month. According to reports, the Democratic president's frequent appearances at union events, including at a labor conference in Washington right after announcing his re-election campaign, show how important he thinks the labor movement is to a second term.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.